Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today, we're going to be looking at how I've made about £80,000 since January the 1st of this year. Now, before we do, make sure you're subscribed with the notifications turned on. Let's get into the video straight away. Alright guys, so you may be wondering where the hell I am. I'm currently in Dubai. Got a wicked suite. I will try and show you outside right now, but you may not be able to see what's going on. Really see. Anyway, so it's it's kind of late in the evening. I thought I'd get a chance to do this video. I haven't recorded any videos since I've been here, just because the Wi-Fi is terrible, so it's going to take probably like 2 days to upload, and I've just been kind of relaxing. So what I'm going to do is at the end of the video, I'm just going to put in a few clips of kind of my stay, the few things that are out and about. I've been recording on the GoPro, so I'll just stick that at the end, so you guys can have a little look at that. Stick around if you want to see that. So what I really want to talk about today is how within the last like couple of days, I've been here about 2.5 days, I've made the same amount as I did literally a year ago to the day. So a year ago, literally to the day, I was in Turkey. Okay, I was in Turkey, and I was on holiday from my job, right? From my normal 9-to-5 job. Let me just kind of get comfy here. From my normal 9-to-5 job, and within 1 month of working, which is about, for me, it was about 220 hours plus of travel and work, I would make, between £2,500 and £3,000, so £2,500 to £3,000 a month. That's not net salary. That's my gross salary. And in the last few days, literally the last 2.5 days, maybe let's just say 3 days, I've made more than that. And I've been literally chilling on the beach. I was on the plane for a few hours, just hanging out, doing not a lot. And it's just crazy what a year can do. So I just want this video to really be for you guys, to give you some encouragement that you can completely change your life. It's just you need to do a few things. I'm going to talk to you about one of the biggest things I did that changed everything for me. And it's not things like taking action and all the things that you guys always hear. This is something that I keep learning about, and I keep learning how important it is. And it's times like this, it's days like today where I've done next to nothing and earned a huge amount of money, which I never thought was possible. And in a year's time, I'm going to look back at this and think that it was a small amount of money. Let's just hope. So the main thing that changed everything for me was making the switch. Okay, making the switch between active and passive income. So when I was going to my job, I was getting up 7 in the morning, so I was leaving my house at 7 in the morning. It took me about an hour and a half to get to work. I would spend all day at work. I'd have to work, overtime. You wouldn't get paid overtime, but I'd have to work extra. And then I'd come home, but it'd take me about hour and a half. So I was spending easily 12, 13 hours a day out of the house, traveling or working, and working hard as well, constantly doing stuff, not taking breaks and things like that. And it was tough. And yeah, I'd say over the space of a month, I did about 220 hours plus, and I was earning maybe about £3,000 a month. It wasn't a lot, okay? It wasn't a lot at all. And that's active income. I had to physically leave my house. I had to travel to work. I had to work a whole bunch of hours on the phone all bloody day, working hard, getting tired, not having time for lunch breaks, because when you have a lunch break, you can't then make money because you're eating, right? You can't get on the phone and try and make sales because you're eating. So it was very active income. I couldn't do it by not doing it. I then made that switch, and it was literally, I was in Turkey this time last year for the exact same dates that I'm in Dubai. And at the end of it, I had that kind of aha moment when I was like, right, I'm not doing this anymore. I've had enough of working. I used to work at Apple before, and I enjoyed that job a lot, but it was getting to that point where I wasn't feeling fulfilled. I wasn't teaching myself enough. I was kind of plateauing, and I was very bored in what I was doing. So I made that change, and I made the active decision to make a change. And literally the day I got back from Turkey, which was the 27th of April, was when I got back from Turkey. And on the 28th of April, that was when everything changed. It's when I started to invest in myself. It's when I started on my YouTube channel. It's when I started to do everything. And what I keep learning throughout this process, which is what I want to teach to you guys today, is that you need to start creating passive income streams, not active income streams like I was doing before, and like many of you will be doing right now. You need to be creating passive income streams. And if it's the case that you just start off by doing something very small and you want to build it over time, do it, because it's worth doing in the long term. I never would have thought that the small, tiny little changes I made within my life a year ago, nearly to the date, would make such an influential impact on my life today, where I'm able to take my girlfriend to Dubai, in a five-star hotel. You know, we're on one of the top floors, so we've got a really nice place. You know, it's just fantastic. We do all the things we want to do, and I'm earning money while sitting on the beach. It's incredible. So the main thing you have to do is create passive income. Now, for me, I have a few sources of passive income, so I'm just going to talk you through those and just explain a little bit about what they are. So one of the things I do, which probably you guys will know me for, is Amazon FBA. That's the main thing I can really teach on my channel, among other things, but that's the main thing that I have, you know, the vast amount of knowledge on, because that's really what I did when I started my channel up. And by doing so, I have so many people asking me questions, and I like to share that information. Actually, I feel it's my duty to share the information that I've learned with every one of you guys, because it's so passive, right? So to give you an idea, I've literally not done anything on my Amazon account. I've looked at the amount of sales. I've not logged into Seller Central on my computer at all, not once. Now, is that a bad thing? Is it a good thing? I don't really know. But for me, it definitely feels like a good thing. The only one thing I've done with the Amazon business since I've been here is I've had to reorder some stock. So that was literally going on Alibaba.com, logging in, doing some messages, and then pay them. And that's literally it. It's a direct debit. It's when you put in your credit card details and you pay. That's it. I didn't do anything else. They're doing everything. And to make you guys aware, I'm not having the stock sent to me directly. It's going to be sent to Amazon. Amazon are going to fulfill it and do all the work for me. So I'm not going to have to do a damn thing with that. So that's one of the first income streams that I have that has been earning me money while I've just been, you know, on the beach in Dubai. The second one is my YouTube channel. Now, I haven't uploaded. This is the first upload I've done since I've been away. So the only thing I've been doing with my YouTube channel is just kind of doing some of the comments. So I've spent about half an hour to an hour every day, just either on the beach, just on my phone, just doing some emails, or just, you know, in the bed when I wake up, just waiting for my girlfriend to wake up, you know, just kind of going through some emails, just talking to people. So that's, you know, that's the most amount of work I've done. But normally when I'm home, to be honest, I spend a lot more time in it. I might do, you know, 2 or 3 uploads or 4 or 5 uploads a week. And of course I spend a lot more time, you know, in my Facebook groups and things like that. But I've made everyone aware that, you know, I want to have a little relax, like everyone does, right? So that's the second thing I've been doing is my YouTube channel, my personal branding. That's my kind of digital products, my Amazon courses, my affiliate books, and all that sort of stuff. The third thing, okay, the third passive income source is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is where I might promote different services or products or courses in my description down below, in my YouTube description or on my Facebook page or whatever. And if people go and click those, they then go and buy those products or services, I'm going to get commission for providing that sale, for providing the actual traffic for that sale. Now, I have spent absolutely zero time on that. I have not done anything whatsoever to generate that income, and it's contributed to some of my income. It's in the region of a few $100s over the last couple of days, which is awesome. And some of those affiliate commissions are recurring. So it's just a case that I'm going to get that money every single month for as long as that person is signed up to that particular service. So it's not something I've done anything for now. It might be something I did months ago, weeks ago, or whatever. So that's super passive. I've not done any work for that whatsoever. And the last thing is the smallest amount of income for me, but it's, you know, it's income nevertheless, and that's my property. So I have a house that I rent out to tenants, and of course, you know, that earns me money. I haven't got paid for it today, but it is a passive income source if you spread it over the whole month. And property is, again, one of those things that is super, super passive. You don't do anything to create that income once you've bought the property and rent it out, which is awesome. So those are really the 4 passive income streams that I have at the moment that have been paying me to basically travel to different places. I aim to go on holiday pretty much once a month. So last month I went to Australia and I flew business class to Australia, which was awesome. Today we're in Dubai, which is a JBR. If you guys know it, let me know down in the comments. Next month, I might be going to Bali, and those will be business trips, all of them, which is pretty cool. Business trips. So yeah, those are the passive income streams that I've set up. So what I want to let you guys kind of know is that if you're not working on a passive income stream, you need to start doing it today. Just think, if you can be in my situation, and I want to give you encouragement because I'm just a normal guy doing like normal things. I'm not the only person that's ever done the stuff I'm doing. I won't be the last. I'm not the best, and I'm not the worst. But what I did do was start doing them. So it's taken me a year to get to this point. But just think to yourself, if you're watching this video and you want to be able to have, you know, financial freedom, you want to live the life you want to live, you want to be able to go to, you know, luxurious places and not worry about the money, then what you need to do is start creating passive income and start doing it today, because if it takes you a year, if it takes you 2 years, I'm telling you guys, it's definitely worth it. It's 100% worth it, because you're only one decision away from changing your life. And that decision is to get started and start creating passive income streams. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. If it does, I want you to smash the like button. You smash that like button. Of course, leave any questions down below. And if you want to see some of the stuff I've been doing, I'm just going to put a little small video reel just at the end of this video so you can see kind of what it's like outside in the daytime. I will do a few more videos. I've got some cool stuff planned, but I just wanted to make sure we have a little update for you guys, a little income update. Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you smash the like button, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.